The third reason organizations use MyObjectives is to enable growth and expansion. That means that MyObjectives keeps everyone connected as the organization grows. It lets managers monitor team progress on their work plan. And it helps all the teams know what the other teams are doing. In essence, it makes collective team progress visible across the entire organization. So let's talk about what we mean when we say teams are connected by MyObjectives. Visibility between teams across an organization is a key advantage of using MyObjectives. To look at the scorecard of another team, you just use the Team drop-down menu, where you choose the scorecard you want to look at. In this example, you can see that an organization can have a hierarchy of teams. Typically, directors have managers and managers have teams, resulting in this hierarchy that you see here. In this lesson, we've been discussing why organizations use MyObjectives: to organize their work into repeating success cycles, to give team members a voice in what they work on, and to keep everyone connected in the organization as it grows. In our next lesson, we'll look at how to do this in MyObjectives. But first, take our little quiz to check your understanding of the material we've covered so far.